Condenser unit wiring connections that are loose can totally wreck your air conditioner's performance and make it act all weird and intermittent. So, first off, always cut the power before you mess with any wiring. It's super important for your safety, you know? Next, grab a screwdriver or a wrench to check the screws and bolts on your condenser unit's wiring connections. If you see anything that looks loose or kinda wiggly, tighten it up nice and snug. Don't overdo it though. No one wants stripped screws or damaged wires. While you're at it, take a peek at the wires themselves. If they're frayed or cracked, think about swapping them out or getting a pro to fix it. You should also make sure the connections aren't corroded. If they look rusty or dirty, clean them gently with a wire brush or some contact cleaner. Keep an eye on your unit regularly, especially before summer hits, so you catch these loose wiring issues before they become a bigger headache. And hey, if tightening connections doesn't solve the problem, there might be something else going on inside the unit, so calling a technician could save you time and stress. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser unit wiring is ignoring loose connections because they think it's no big deal. This leads to intermittent operation that can damage the compressor over time. Fix this by tightening connections regularly and doing visual checks. Another common issue is not turning off the power before working on the wiring, which is a serious safety hazard. Always switch off the breaker or unplug the unit first. Finally, folks often overlook corrosion buildup on terminals, which disrupts electrical flow. Cleaning corroded connections or replacing them if needed will keep your system running smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about air conditioners and other home projects. It also helps contractors find steady work by linking them with people who need their skills, making it easier to get jobs done right.